Alright, back out in the garage. Got a set of these push reversible wrenches that Olsa Tools sent me. They're a pretty cool design. Kind of unique how they switch back and forth. I'll go ahead and unbox it and show you how they work. Alright, check them out, olsatools.com. They did send me a link to share with you guys. If you use the link in the description, you can get 10% off your first order. Chrome Vanadium. They sent me the SAE set, so fractional. I like that. Hang it up on the pegboard, hang it on the wall, throw it in a toolbox. It's kind of flexible, that's kind of neat. I like that. I don't like it when you get tools and they, you just get the raw tools, no way to hold it, no way to organize it, anything like that. So Olsa Tools is a Canadian tool manufacturer. They do a lot with tool organizers, and now they've expanded into mechanic tools. And I think the only thing in the garage I got that is standard is going to be that big block over there. So I'll set the camera up over there and show you how these work. Alright, got the camera set up. Show you how these kind of work. Like I said, you push to change from loosen to tighten. So like right now, tighten it like normal. And if I want to change direction, you push towards the bolt and then you go the direction you want to go. So now it's unloosened. If I want to change back, push. You kind of hear it click a little bit. Push it in. Now it's unloosened. Kind of cool. I like that they kind of think out of the box. I've actually had some wrenches with the little flip tab and in a tight spot, working on something over on a front wheel drive serpentine belt area, you're down in there. I've actually busted off the little flip lever on several ratcheting wrenches before. It's kind of nice. It's got a nice little, probably about a 15-degree curve on that head. So if you're working on something flat, you got room to get your hand behind it. Seem to be really well made. I like it. So loosen, push in, and it's on tighten. Very cool. Nice, well made. Chrome Vanadium carrying case. I really like that. It's nice that they threw it in with it. This particular set is the 8-piece SAE. The metric set is a 12-piece. And I think these currently right now on their website, the SAEs are $58.87 and the 12-piece metric is $77.87 as of March of 2021. Like I said, if you want to check out any of their tools, you use the link in the description. You'll get 10% off your first order. Go ahead and go over and check them out. Thank you. See you on the next one.